In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly Complete Walkthrough. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can easily spot the main call to action buttons. On the homepage, look for a button such as Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. Click that option to begin creating your account. And before we go further, if you want to try the platform for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's the quickest way to get to the right page while following along with this tutorial. Next, fill in the required sign-up information. Typically, this includes details like your email address and a password. If the platform also offers alternative sign-up methods, such as signing up with another account provider, you can choose the option that works best for you. As you create your account, make sure your login details are secure and easy for you to remember. Once everything is filled in, complete the registration process to move forward. After signing up, GetFormly may ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from GetFormly. Open that email and click the verification button, or follow whatever instructions are provided there. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps unlock full access to the platform. Once your account is verified, return to the GetFormly website. Now enter your account credentials and click Log In, or the equivalent button if the wording is slightly different. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. When you reach the dashboard, spend a few seconds identifying the main sections and navigation areas. This is helpful for new users because it gives you a quick understanding of where everything lives and how to move around the platform without feeling overwhelmed. From there, you're ready to start using GetFormly. Look for the area where you can begin creating or managing forms. For a beginner, the first basic action is usually to open the form creation area or select the option to start a new form. Keep this part simple and focus on getting comfortable with the interface and where the core tools are located. That's the complete walkthrough. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, access the dashboard, and begin using the platform through the website. If you want to try it yourself, remember you can use the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.